At its 2026 Investors Day, parent company of Jeep Motors announced that Jeep will launch its new SUV through its joint venture with Tata Motors. Due in 2028, the new SUV will be developed on the platform provided by Tata Motors. The automaker positions India as a key low-cost manufacturing and export hub for its future energy vehicle. The SUV will also be exported to 50 countries. Tata Motors has been Stellantis' partners for more than 20 years and will provide a highly competitive platform to develop new Jeep cars that will be developed in India, assembled in India, in our own Stellantis Tata joint venture for the world. The upcoming Jeep model is expected to be one of the 5 globally oriented platforms Stellantis is developing in Asia using local partnership and low-cost engineering ecosystems. Though the platform is not revealed, it could be the Arcos platform utilized by Tata Sierra. Technically suits the Jeep brand as it allows for AWD and also electrification. Previously, they announced a new SUV for the Indian market in 2027 as a part of its 2.0 strategy for India. The company currently operates brands such as Citroën and Jeep, both of which faces immense challenges scaling volume in a highly competitive and price-sensitive market. With empowered regional operations, Stellantis maybe have to adopt its India strategy faster and tailor-made products for the local conditions. As of now, Jeep is currently selling Compass and its 3-row counterpart Meridian Wrangler Off-Road and a flagship Grand Cherokee in India.